YouTube TV automatically plays trailers or previews when browsing shows, which can be distracting. Here's how to turn off autoplay trailers step by step. Step 1. Open YouTube TV on your smart TV, streaming device, mobile device, or computer. Step 2. Tap or click your profile icon and select Settings. Step 3. Go to Playback and Performance or Autoplay settings, depending on your device. Step 4. Look for autoplay trailers or preview videos. Toggle it off. This stops trailers from automatically playing when scrolling through shows or the home screen. Step 5. On smart TVs, you may need to navigate to the home screen settings while highlighting a show tile to find the preview toggle. Turn it off to stop trailers from playing on the home screen. Step 6. Restart the app to ensure the setting takes effect across all sections, including the live guide, library, and search results. Turning off autoplay trailers reduces distractions, saves bandwidth, and improves browsing experience, especially in shared spaces or quiet environments. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.